This 2017 Forest River Surveyor 265 RLDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, awning, LP detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, leveling jacks, smoke detector, oven, external shower, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Forest River Surveyor 265 RLDS is 6,036 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.